Howdy howdy howdy. I am Lil Timmy Rose, avatar for artist Tim Roseborough, and this is Art World Geeks, inspired by, where I discuss a work that inspires my art practice. In this episode, we'll look at the 2012 sculpture, Levitated Mass, by the artist Michael Heizer. Heizer was born in Berkeley, California, United States, in 1944. He is known as a prominent artist in the land art movement, and is famous for his earthworks, such as Double Negative, from 1969 through 1970, in which he made two large carvings into the side of a mesa in Nevada by displacing 240,000 tons of rock. Levitated Mass consists of a 340-ton boulder suspended above a walkway outside the Los Angeles County Museum of Art. This work inspires me to think about land as a viable resource for making artistic works. Until next time, I'm Lil Timmy Rose, avatar for artist Tim Roseborough. Subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow me on social media and the web at ARTWORLDGEEK.